Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Apple USB-C power adapter for you, and I bought this from outside from the Apple store, and this is not the genuine Apple product, I guess, but seems to be like it's having the same quality, the material and everything. I mean, in the packing point of view. And it's 20-watt high-speed charger and made in China, and it's cost me around $20, and this is supporting 100 to 24 voltage range and 50 to 60 frequency range as well, and output is 20 watt, and it's a USB-C. Yes, it's a USB-C type port. And quickly unbox this for you. This is the charging brick, and we have some plenty of paperwork there. So, and one is Apple 1 year limited warranty. I'm not sure whether this warranty is genuine one, since this is not the real Apple product. And yeah, this is the charging brick. So it's a sleek gloss finishing, and the plastic, and weight around 100 gram. Yes, and yeah, there's a nice mechanism. It's a folding mechanism. So see, you can simply folding out and in. So like essentially, if you are a traveler, this is a really big advantage. So you can simply put this in your pocket without any hassles, since these pins are not coming into and out. So yeah, that's the one advantage. And you know that due to some environment regulation policies, like Apple has discontinued the discontinued the chargers shipping with the iPhone package. So anyway, you have to bought this from outside, and from the consumer point of view, this is really like a disadvantage. You have to spend some bucks on this, and but from environment point of view, like it's a really good approach. Thumbs up for Apple. Yeah, so and the other one is like I have tested this power brick, and for my iPhone 12 mini, it's taking around 30 minutes to do the full charge from 10%. And the most important thing is it's really get hot while you are charging with this device. So I'm not sure whether this is happening for the genuine chargers, but I'm recommending, if you are using this charger, just to make sure, like remove your back cover, or keep your phone is the ventilated place while you are charging, and make sure to keep your phone upside down while you are charging, so this area will get cool efficiently while you are charging. Yeah, and yeah, that's all for this unboxing review. Hope you enjoy this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel and give big thumbs up, and see you soon with my next video.